Hi everyone, we're over at the Bridgeport milling machine today with an Abwood 6-inch machine vise, and it's a swivel base vise, but I'd like to give it a bit of a tear down, clean up, a bit of a service and make a couple of little upgrades to it today. So let's get started. Now that I've got that little snap ring off, I think this threaded rod should just push through this housing. But unfortunately, I don't know if you can hear this, there's a bit of grinding and stiction in there, and I think what's happened is at some point during its life, through this little hole here, some dirt or swarf has got in, and it's basically just preventing me from pushing this rod through. So one of the modifications I'd like to make is to cut a thread into this so that I can put a little grub screw in there just to blank this hole off, and then I can use it as an oil port, which I think is probably what its original use was. You can see there's loads of little bits of swarf here that have got squashed as I was doing that. Hopefully we've not damaged the bushing or this running surface too badly. Okay, so I've got the base of the vise set up in the milling machine, and I'm going to drill and tap a hole in the side of the fixed jaw. That's so that I can fit a stop to the vise in the future, which is something you can't currently do at the moment. I'll do a separate video where I build the stop set and talk about why they're useful and stuff like that. So if you want to see that, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Cheers!